Nail supplies. Uncover the essentials for perfect manicures. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's very common in the world of beauty and self-care. Nail supplies. Whether you're at a salon or shopping online, understanding this term will help you navigate with confidence. Let's get started. Nail supplies refer to the tools and products used for the care and decoration of nails. This includes items used by professionals as well as those for personal use at home. It's important to know this term because it encompasses a wide range of products. When we talk about nail supplies, we're referring to a variety of items. Here are a few key categories. Nail polish, the colorful coatings applied to nails. Manicure tools, items like nail clippers, nail files, and cuticle pushers. Nail art supplies, decorative elements like stickers, gems, or stencils. Nail care products, nourishing oils and creams that keep nails healthy. You can find nail supplies in beauty stores, drugstores, and even online. Knowing this phrase will help you ask for what you need or search for items effectively if you're learning English. Let's put our phrase into practice. Here are a couple of examples. I need to buy some nail supplies for my at-home manicure. The salon has a wide range of nail supplies to choose from. And there you have it. Understanding the term nail supplies will help you in many everyday situations, especially if you're interested in beauty and self-care. We hope this video has been informative and adds to your growing English vocabulary. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.